Welcome back, guys. This is Harish Gaupale. This is the third part of array and cluster playlist. In the part 2, I have already covered some of the tools from array palette like array size, index array, replace subset, insert into array, delete from array, reshape array, min max, and reverse binary array. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain you functions of remaining tools from the array palette. Okay. So first upon, we should create one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. So go to the numeric palette, click on this const array. Okay. Now copy this and again paste here. This is for 2D array. 2D array. Okay. Simply go to the numeric palette, click on this numeric control and put here. Here also numeric palette, numeric control, put here. Okay. And change the position first of all. Now see 1D array. 1D array means what? One dimensional array. Either one column or one row. Okay. So I want one column. Okay. Or if suppose I want one row, so simply increase the element in a row. Okay. But right now I want column. So simply increase element in a column. Now 2D. How to create 2D array? Simply do this. And then we can increase element horizontally or vertically. That means what? Row or column. 2D array, 2D two-dimensional array means what? More than one element, more than one column, or more than one rows. Okay. Yeah. Now put any number like 34, 9, 10. In 2D array, enter any number 1, 0. Yeah. Now, first we will learn the function of short 1D array and short 2D array. Okay. Pick it up from here and then kept here. Both 1 and 2. So the function of this short 1D array is that it returns sorted array of unsorted array with the elements arranged in the ascending order. You can see we have unsorted array. From element 0 we have 4 random numbers. Okay. So it arrange unsorted array in the sorted array. Okay. So simply connect these to available array and create indicator. Okay. If you know in C languages or in another programming languages, we need to write lines of code to arrange the array elements or to sort the array elements or in ascending order or in descending order. But in LabVIEW, by just one tool, we can sort the array. Okay. Now come to the function of this two-dimensional. First close this palette. Okay. Function of this two-dimensional array. So it rearranges the rows or columns of two-dimensional array by sorting the elements in the specified column. Specified column means what? I will specify the column from this terminal dimension to index and which element, which column 0 to by specifying. That means when we are specified, then it will sort the array. So first connect these input terminal to the two-dimensional array which we have already create. Okay. Then simply right click and create constant. Now as our specification, now suppose I want to sort this column. Which column? Column number 1. Okay. So already I have selected, that is column. Okay, now create index, create constant. What I'm saying, column number 1. So 0 column, that is 132, 0, 91, and number column 1 is that 0, 23, 65. Okay, so enter 1 and simply create indicator. Okay. And then click on this run button. Okay, so it's successfully run. Now change the position of this sorted 2D array and then increase the size. Okay, similarly this sorted array of one dimensional. Top or 2D array, I am specified column and number 1 column. So the number 1 column is this 0, 23, 65, 28, 22, 55 elements are present in the column. So you can see the sorted column number 2 from the minimum number is 0 and the maximum number is 65. If I want to change, as if suppose I want a row and the row is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth row. So enter 5. Okay, and then click on this run button. Now you can see the 5th row in the ascending order, that is 44, 45, 55, 66 and 77. Understood? So now first select all the diagram and change the position. Okay, now right click and go to the array palette and click on the spin button. Okay, now let's learn about the function of this shuffle one dimensional array and shuffle two dimensional array. So pick it up from here and kept here. Okay, come to the shuffle one dimensional array, go to the visible item, click on this caption. Similarly with the shuffle two dimensional array. Okay. Now the function of this shuffle one dimensional array is that it rearranges the elements of one dimensional array in a pseudo random order. Pseudo random means what? The number that are selected by definite computational process, that is pseudo random number. Okay. Similarly, the function of this two dimensional array is that it rearrange all the elements of two dimensional array in a pseudo random order. Both function of both tools are same. Okay, so simply to see the function, first connect to this available array. Okay, and then create indicator to this shuffle one dimensional array. Okay, similarly connect this to two dimensional array and create indicator. Okay, change the position, close this. Okay, now change the position of this shuffle two dimensional array indicator. Okay, and then increase the element because I want to see result. Okay, similarly we increase the element in a column. Okay, and then click on this run button. Okay, now you can see where we are getting the pseudo random order from the shuffled array tool. Okay, and we have fill all the places of this front panel window. So I think this is enough for this video. Now the remaining tools, that is search unsorted one dimensional array, split one dimensional array, rotate one dimensional array, and other remaining tools, I will explain all the functions of these tools in the next video. Okay, so thank you so much guys.